Marhaban everyone, Shakbarikom Zain Anazain Alhamdulillah. Guys, welcome back to today's video. I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to learn and practice Emirati Arabic language. So if you're interested, join me. Let's learn this language together. So in today's video, I'm practicing Emirati Arabic using this book. This is 700 questions and phrases written in Emirati Arabic, and this is written by Hanan Arfardan. This is a local lady based here in the UAE. I'll read the phrases, pronounce them, and and try to understand their meaning. So join me and let's learn together. So my beautiful people, today let's learn about the word how much. How much, as you can see, it's written here, how much or how many. Okay, in Emirati Arabic, it's kam. Let's see the sentences or how it's used in a sentence. So as you can see here, this one that is written in red, it shows this is a female. You're referring, to a male. Okay, so like how much is this? Become harder, and this is how it's written in Arabic, if you understand Arabic already. Okay, and then the other one is how many do you have? Kam wahed tuba. How many books do you have? Kam kitab عندك. Let's repeat one more. Become harder. Kam wahed tuba. Kam kitab عندك. How many phones do you have? Kam telephone عندك. How many pens do you have? Kam galam عندك. How many times? Kam mara. Okay, how many times do I have to say? Kam mara agul. How many times a week do you exercise? Kam mara تسوي رياضة في الأسبوع? Let's do it one more time. Kam telephone عندك. Kam galam عندك. Kam mara agul. Kam mara تسوي رياضة في الأسبوع? How many times do you travel per year? كم مرة تسافر في السنة؟ How many times does he call? كم مرة يتصل. How many hours? كم ساعة. How many hours do you sleep? كم ساعة تنام. How many hours do you work? كم سنة تشتغل. How many hours do you exercise? كم سنة تسوي رياضة. How many hours is the class? كم ساعة الكلاس. Let's just repeat one more. كم مرة تسافر في السنة؟ كم مرة يتصل؟ كم ساعة تشتغل؟ كم ساعة تنام؟ كم ساعة تنام؟ كم ساعة تسوي رياضة؟ كم ساعة تسوي رياضة؟ كم ساعة الكلاس؟ كم ساعة الكلاس؟ Another word I've learned today is fi, which is there, as you can see it's written here in Arabic, fi, and then here is there. So let's see examples. Is there any water? Fi mai, and then is there any food? Fi akil, is there any juice? Fi asir, is there any Wi-Fi? Fi Wi-Fi, is there any way? Fi majal, is it majal or majal? Okay. Is there rain? Fi matar, is it sunny? Fi shams, is there enough time? Fi waqt, is there any more? Fi ziyada, is there anything? Fi shay, is there anyone? Fi ahad, is there any games? Fi alab, is there any chance? Fi fursa, is there any tea? Fi shy, So let's try to negate this. Like for example, there is, and then in Arabic, mafi, which is not there. Okay, like for example, I don't want isn't there any parking? Mafi mawakif, okay. Here, isn't there any restaurant here? Mafi matam hini, okay. Isn't there any tissue? Mafi clinics, okay. Alright, isn't there anyone? Mafi ahad, like there is no one here, okay. And then isn't there any bread? Mafi gubs, okay. I hope my pronunciation is right. Okay, isn't there any hospital? Mafi mustashfa, okay. Isn't there any chair? Mafi kursi, is it kursi or kursi? I know kursi, okay. Isn't there any ATM machine? Mafi makina ATM, Isn't there any sun? Mafi shams, isn't there any help? Mafi musada, isn't there any car? Mafi sayara, So let's just have a recap of what we've learned today. We learned about how to say how much is there or isn't there. Kam hada or become hada, fi hada or ma fi. Okay, so these are very common phrases. You can use it daily in any daily conversation, and this is what I hear a lot here in the UAE. Okay, so try practicing them when you go shopping or when you are in a cafe or anywhere, and let me know what you think about these words. Okay, or maybe if you have any other way to say these questions, let me know in the comment section below. Let's interact. All right, I'd love to see your answers. Otherwise, thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Emirati Arabic content. See you in the next one. Bye. Ma salama.